Instagram is so much more than just pictures, and it honestly surprises me how many people are still sleeping on this. It's not wrong to say that it has become extremely difficult to stay relevant on Instagram just by photos. Yes, Instagram is primarily a photo sharing app, but it's also a place where creators like me and you exist, and our job is to provide value. So, what can we do? Captions. There's so much untapped potential in how you approach your captions. A good caption does far more than just explain the circumstances surrounding the photo. It provides the insight into who you are as an individual or business. But let's be real, captions are very hard to write. Should you keep it smart or funny, long or short, personal or generic, emoji or no emoji, all caps or no caps? There are just so many decisions to make. So if you want to generate more likes, comments and shares just by writing captions, then keep on watching as I share with you my 5 best tips on writing perfect captions. Let's start with that $1 million question. Should your captions be short and sweet or long and elaborative? Here's the thing. Instagram allows you 2200 characters in a caption, but only 125 characters appear in front of the users before the users decide to click on that see more button. Here's an interesting fact. In early days of Instagram, people never wrote long form captions. The entire caption would be largely summed up in a single sentence. But as the time changed, the platform evolved, the nature of captions changed too. People started to write long form captions because 1. There's a lot you can express in 2200 characters, and 2. It did show an increase in engagement and the number of comments. But on the flip side, don't keep adding words just for the heck of it. Remember, each sentence in your caption should have a purpose. You'll be much better off with small, effective caption that has a punch instead of a long caption that just keeps on going on and on and on and on and on. This brings me to the next point that I have for you, and that is using emojis. According to a study by Google, 92% of people use emojis, and the number is even higher for 18 to 34 age range. Needless to say, people love them, and you should use them in your Instagram captions as well. Not only do they make your captions stand out from the rest and draw attention to them, but they can also help your followers visualize what you are trying to say in a better way. Also, keep in mind that too many emojis in one go can make you look irrelevant. Since emojis are pretty much the only colorful thing in your caption, they stand out the most. So use them wisely. Let's move on to tip number 3, and that is not to be afraid to go off script. Now don't get me wrong. By off script, I mean really candid captions. Even the most seasoned Instagrammers have bad days, and there's no shame in admitting that you are in a caption rut. Let me give a candid example for you to understand. Let's say you are a fashion influencer. An open-ended question for you would be something like, hey, what do you think I should wear for my friend's wedding? Or should I wear this or that? Captions like these strike conversations in the comment section, thus indicating to the Instagram algorithm that you are dope. Besides, if you are being real and authentic, your followers will also get a sense of belongingness because now you are making them part of your day-to-day activities. Tip number 4 that I have for you is to give clear CTA. Now, when I say CTA, I'm not asking you to write follow me in your captions. What I really mean to say is you could add a call to action asking them to do something specific. Let's bring back the fashion influencer example once again. You could give CTAs like, if you like what I choose to wear, drop a lit emoji in comments. Or steal my style for your next party. Or save this post for later. Or tag a friend who you think loves dresses. All these effective CTAs will bring you more likes, shares and comments, which will in turn get you organic reach. The 5th and final tip that I have for you is to write captions like you are talking to a friend. Make sure that you are not writing captions that are way too formal, that basically look like your school essay. Write it like how you would actually speak to a friend. Why? Because at the end of the day, your followers are a bunch of friends with whom you are engaging, commenting and helping out each day. So make sure that your captions are not way too serious, and don't forget to add sense of humor to it if necessary. If you are someone who is struggling with caption ideas, I strongly recommend you to check this video right here where I talk about all the strategies that I use to find all those content pieces. And that's it. You now know what to do and what to avoid in your Instagram captions. Let me know in the comments if you prefer a long form or a short and sweet caption for your Instagram. Let's keep this debate going until next time.